Hello students, we are back with last video of the series Demand. In the last video, we discussed about factors determining demand and then we studied about the law of demand. According to law of demand, there is an inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded, keeping other factors constant. Now, just imagine, do we only move up and down on the demand curve? That is when price changes. Factors which determine demand except price are constant in real life too, as we assume in the law of demand. Or what happens when these factors that affect the demand except price also change? This is what we are going to analyze in this video. Till now, we have seen that as price increases or decreases, quantity demanded also changes. Thus, we move up and down on the demand curve. But when factors other than price change, then the demand curve shifts. It either shifts right or it either shifts left. And this is going to be the main topic to be covered in this video. So, let's start with change in demand and change in quantity demanded. Law of demand says that as price increases, quantity demanded decreases and vice versa, keeping other factors constant. So, whenever there is change in quantity demanded only due to change in the price, keeping other factors constant, it is known as change in quantity demanded, and in this case we move along the demand curve. But when there is change in factors other than price, then demand curve shifts right or left, and this is known as change in demand. Thus, the terminology plays a very important role here. When quantity demanded changes due to change in price, it is known as change in quantity demanded. But when demand changes due to change in other factors, it is known as change in demand. Change in quantity demanded is of two types: expansion or contraction, whereas change in demand is also of two types: increase in demand and decrease in demand. And this is what we are going to study in detail now. Let's start with change in quantity demanded, that is movement along the demand curve. Again, coming to the law of demand, we know that as price decreases, quantity demanded increases, and there is a downward movement on the demand curve as shown in the first figure, and this is known as expansion of demand. Thus, expansion refers to increase in the quantity demanded due to decrease in the own price of the commodity, and it is shown by a downward movement on the demand curve. Then, contraction of demand. Contraction of demand refers to decrease in the quantity demanded due to an increase in the own price. It is shown in figure 2 and it is depicted by upward movement on the demand curve. Coming back to figures once again, let's analyze the first figure in detail. We can see that as price falls from P0 to P1, quantity demanded increases from Q0 to Q1, and there is a downward movement from A to B, which is known as expansion of demand. Figure 2, when price rises from P0 to P1, there is a decrease in quantity demanded from Q0 to Q1, as shown by an upward movement from point E to F, which is known as contraction in demand. Thus, expansion, increase in quantity demanded due to decrease in own price; contraction, decrease in quantity demanded due to an increase in the own price. Expansion shown by the downward movement on the same demand curve, contraction shown by the upward movement on the same demand curve. And both expansion as well as contraction represent change in quantity demanded, which take place due to change in own price. Coming to increase in demand versus decrease in demand. That is, two cases of change in demand. Recalling change in demand takes place when factors other than price of the commodity change. Thus, when there is an increase in demand, it means that consumers now demand more at the same price. It can be seen in the figure 1 that initially at price OP, OQ was demanded, but now due to change in other factors at the same price OP, consumers are demanding OQ1, which is depicted by point P on a new demand curve, and this new demand curve lies to the right of old demand curve DD. Decrease in demand. Decrease in demand means that now consumers demand less at the given price of a commodity. For example, if initially at price OP, consumers were demanding OQ1 on demand curve D1, now due to change in other factors at the same price OP, consumers are demanding less, that is OQ2 on new demand curve D2, which lies to the left of D1. Thus, two typical cases of change in demand are increase in demand as shown by rightward shift of the demand curve when consumers demand more at the same price, decrease in demand as shown by the leftward shift of demand curve when consumers demand less at the same price. More about increase and decrease in demand. We have just studied that when factors other than price change, then it leads to shift of the demand curve, that is either increase or decrease. But now which particular factor leads to increase and which particular factor leads to decrease in the demand? Increase in demand takes place when price of the substitute good rises. For example, if cokes become expensive, then people will start consuming more of Fanta. When price of complementary good falls, for example, if car becomes cheap, then demand for petrol will also increase. Demand can also increase when income of a consumer increases in the case of normal good. Whereas if the good in question is inferior good, then with the fall in income of the consumer, demand for inferior good will increase. Demand will also increase when preferences are favorable. Coming to decrease in demand. Factors which lead to decrease in demand are fall in the price of substitute goods. For example, if Coke becomes cheap, then people will demand less of Fanta. When price of complementary good rises, for example, if cars become expensive, then demand for petrol will also fall without any change in the price of petrol. When income of a consumer falls in the case of a normal good, and when income of a consumer rises in the case of an inferior good. Also, when taste and preferences become unfavorable, all these factors lead to decrease in demand as shown by the leftward shift of the demand curve when less is demanded at the same price. A quick recap. When own price decreases and quantity demanded increases, it is known as expansion in demand shown by the downward movement on the demand curve. When own price increases and quantity demanded decreases, it is depicted by an upward movement on the demand curve and is known as contraction of demand. Both expansion and contraction are known as change in quantity demanded, which is caused by change in own price keeping other factors constant. Change in demand, that is when price remains constant but demand changes due to change in other factors, and it leads to either rightward shift whenever there is an increase in demand, that is more is demanded at the same price, or leftward shift when there is a decrease in demand, that is less is demanded at the same price. Thus, increase and decrease in demand depict change in demand which takes place due to change in other factors apart from own price of the commodity. Let's try to understand with the help of an imaginary story. A girl goes to a shopping mall to buy a color palette. She inquires the price of the palette. Sales girl tells her that one palette is for 800. Girl becomes happy. Why? Because earlier she used to purchase one palette for rupees 1000. Now since there is a decrease in price of the palette, so she will buy two palettes instead of one. And sales girl confirms this fact that now many girls are buying two palettes or more palettes because of decrease in the price. Then girl noticed that people are also buying more brushes. Why? When the price of brush is same. Sales girl tells her that since more palettes are being sold, so people are purchasing more brushes as well, as both palette and brushes are used together since they are complementary good. So now let's analyze this story with the help of the topic that we have studied. First part of the story, that is girl is buying two palettes instead of one because of decrease in price. Just think which of the following diagram depicts this situation. Due to decrease in price, quantity demanded has increased. Yes, you guessed it right. It is shown by figure A, in which price is falling and quantity demanded is increasing, leading to an expansion in demand. Coming to part 2 of the story, where due to fall in the price of palettes, demand for brushes is also increasing. Though price of brushes is same, but people are demanding more brushes because the complementary good is now cheap and joint consumption is now comparatively cheaper. It is shown by figure B, in which there is a rightward shift of demand curve of brushes due to decrease in the price of color palette. I hope the example was clear. Now quickly recapitulating, figure A represents the expansion of demand shown by downward movement, which means decrease in price, increase in quantity demanded. Figure B shows increase in demand, that is, more is demanded at the same price due to change in factor other than demand. Figure C represents decrease in demand, where less is demanded at the same price due to change in other factor. Lastly, figure D represents contraction in demand, where due to increase in known price there is a decrease in the quantity demanded. Both A and D represent change in quantity demanded, that is, when quantity demanded changes due to change in own price shown by movement on the same demand curve, whereas diagram B and C show change in demand, that is, when demand either increases or decreases shown by right or leftward movement respectively due to change in factors other than price. I hope the chapter was clear to you. Thank you and have a good day.